Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this presentation, I would like to explore the relationship between languages and cultural diversity within Indonesian Pesantren. Pesantren environment are vibrant linguistic landscapes where Arabic, Indonesian, and local languages coexist. This presentation will explore how the use of multiple languages shape social interaction, educational practices, and identity formation within this pesantren, and how they contribute to the rich culture mosaic of pesantren. Pesantren have a long history in Indonesia, serving as center of religious instruction, scholarship, and community development. While their importance is undeniable, the interplay between language use and cultural diversity within this pesantren has not been widely examined. So this this paper aims to bridge this gap by examining how the use of various languages shape the cultural environment within pesantren. The linguistic landscape of pesantren is multifaceted. Arabic holds a central position as the language of Islamic scholarship, with religious texts and core knowledge studied primarily in Arabic. Indonesian serves as language of everyday communication, lecture on contemporary Islamic topics, and interaction between student and teacher, kiai and ustad or kiai and santri. Beyond these two dominant languages, a multitude of local dialects and languages add vibrancy to the Santa environment. For example, Japanese, Sundanese, Madurese, and other local languages are often used in informal conversation among students, everyday communication, fostering a sense of belonging and familiarity. Indonesia's vast archipelago fosters a diverse cultural landscape reflected as the Santri body of knowledge. Santri from various ethnicities, region, and cultural background come together, bringing their unique tradition, custom, and languages. This diversity enriches the learning process and experiences, exposing Santri to different perspectives and fostering sense of tolerance and understanding. Culture diversity is further amplified by the varying approaches and orientation of different Satran. Some Satrans specialize in specific Islamic school of thought, while others emphasize particularly in areas such as Sufism or Quranic meditation or Tahfidh. This variety reflects the rich tapestry of Islamic tradition within Islam. In this section, we'll discuss the finding of the research on the landscape of Santren and its role in social interaction, educational practices, and identity formation. I will explore how the use of language shaped this aspect of life within Santren. The choice of language within Santren significantly influenced social interaction. Formal interaction with kiai or teachers, ustad, typically occur in Arabic or in Indonesian language, depending on the context. The Arabic language fosters a sense of respect and reference for the transmission of Islamic knowledge. Indonesian, on the other hand, allows for clearer communication and facilitate deeper engagement with complex topics. Informal interaction among santri often unfold in their native languages, fostering a sense of camaraderie or belonging. For instance, Japanese santri might use Japanese for casual conversation, jokes, or sharing personal experiences. This creates a space for cultural expression and emotional connection within the Pesantren community. Furthermore, language use can be a marker of social hierarchy within Pesantren. Social senior santri, for example, might use more advanced Arabic or Indonesian vocabulary when interacting with junior santri, demonstrating their knowledge and experience. This can create a dynamic where language both reinforce existing social structure and provide opportunities for learning and advancement. For example, a senior santri leading a discussion group might employ more formal register or Arabic while encouraging junior santri to participate and gradually build their own fluency. Understanding the role of language within Pesantren has significant implication for teaching and learning. Educators need to be sensitive to the varying level of uh, language proficiency among students and cater their instruction accordingly. This may involve utilizing a combination of Arabic, Indonesian, and even local languages to explain concepts effectively, and furthermore, incorporating interactive teaching method that encourage student participation in Indonesia can foster deep understanding and critical thinking skill. And as a conclusion, the study examined the complex interplay between language and cultural diversity within Indonesian Pesantren, and the finding reveal a vibrant linguistic landscape where Arabic, Indonesian, and a multitude of local languages coexist. The choice of language is shaped in the social interaction, educational practices, and identity formation in Pesantren, and last but not least, language use serve as a marker of respect. Thank you for listening. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.